The Smart Notebook app is a simplified version of the Smart Notebook software that is used in conjunction with smartboards. It allows the user to complete Smart Notebook lesson activities as well as create files using some of the tools that are found in the full version of the notebook software used with the smartboard. If I tap on my app right on the screen, you'll notice I come to a page, shows some of the materials I've created or taken from Exchange. You'll see a Create File icon on the top left. That's where you can create a new page. You'll also notice at the bottom a tutorial, very similar to the tutorial you'll see on the full version of Smart Notebook software. Basically 25 pages tutorial on how you do things, what features the Notebook app for iPad offers and things like that. I would definitely take a look at that. It's been updated with the recent update as beginning of the year around January, February 2013, so definitely take a look at that. If you were to create a new file, simply tap Create File. You'll notice it looks kind of like it does when you're working in the smartboard itself or with this full version of Smart Notebook software. You have your pens down here. If you were to double tap these icons, it kind of gives you different inks and different line styles to choose from. Same with your highlighters, your erasers, your text, your shapes, your lines. You'll notice also at the bottom the camera. You can import photos using the camera feature, the photo feature on the iPad itself. You could also import photos you save from the internet that you're saved to your camera roll. The one downside is you don't have the clip art gallery that comes with the notebook software itself, but you can always create notebook software applications using the full version and then import them into the app. The other nice feature of the app is the ability to go to the internet, whether it's Smart Exchange or another site that offers pre-made lessons. And once you find the lesson you want, you simply click it and you download it. And that will ask you if you want to open it using the app that you have on your iPad. That file in Notebook app. Once I click on it, it'll take a minute to load because it is pretty graphic intensive. But remember, Flash will not work if there anything is part of the files that you're downloading. It will not be supported in the iPad app. That goes for files that you download from the internet that might be Smart Notebook files, and also anything made on notebook software with the Activity Toolkit features that might have Flash will not work on the iPad app themselves. But you'll notice it opens right up, and that's just from Smart Exchange. I can modify it and delete pages and whatnot, just like I can do on the full version of the notebook software. Smart Notebook app is also fully integrable with Dropbox. If I have files on there, I could sign in and share files that way as well. There are a number of other features that I did not have time to discuss in this introduction, including the ability to add sound clips to your notebook files, very similar to how you can add them in the full version of notebook software. There are also some links in the narrative section of this review on Bridging Apps website. It will take you to some YouTube tutorials to show you this app in action. It gives you about 10 minutes of video showing what they show in the written tutorial, as well as 5 minutes about the current updates that Smart Notebook has done to their software. Smart is very responsive to feedback to the app, and you'll notice updates on the app very frequently to try to fix bugs or glitches. But remember, it is a simplified version of Smart Notebook software and limited in what it can do. As of February 2013, Smart Notebook app for iPad is available on the iTunes Store for $6.99.